Hi, my name is Kia Tonto, and in our group we have dear Ming Nguyen, Kuan Lim, and Feng Zhang. Today we'd like to introduce our prototype for the new system for Telstra Health. But before we moving into the actual prototype, let me guide you through our design document. In our design, we split the brainstorming process into 4 phases, which the detailed information will be escalated until phase 4. In phase 1, we did lots of brainstorming work with mind maps to have an overall look at people, context, activities, and technology. Each section will contain the related elements which might be involved into the system. We then create mind map to show the associations between elements and some sketches for some UI designs. Personas have been generated based on some surveys with different potential users, their doctors, patients, with their preference in using technologies. Some skills and knowledge they're having right now that might help us to get some core functions of the system. Potential contexts, activities, and technologies are put into tables from the surveys and brainstorming. In phase 2, we interview each person from the survey to take notes from their user story. This will be the primary resources for us to know what they are struggling with right now to find solutions in our new system, which will be explained by the conceptual scenarios and put in the corpus table up the top. In phase 3, based on those conceptual scenarios from phase 3, we're brainstorming furthermore in details of what the user needs to do in the system to achieve his outcomes or need. They are concrete scenarios. And then from those scenarios, we break down into use case diagram of how the activity in the use case scenarios. This will be really helpful for us when designing UI. Finally, in phase 4, we comes up with a navigation map of what the system UI will look like, with all the mappings of elements, and that each person design a storyboard with the screen layout for the functions they have chosen and any animations they implement in the prototype. Finally, a global set of UI elements are designed such as text, button, and metaphors. Login screen with correct username and password. The system will automatically direct you to the correct screen base. For example, I've just typed in doctors and then log in. We haven't designed the home screen, it will be empty. Let's head to the add new patients. This is the input form for doctors to type in patient details. Button to add existing profile, and when scroll down to the end, it has an options to add prescription. It will automatically transfer to medicine database tab to get prescription, and fortunately this tab also under construction. Create to add the database, and then reset to reset the form. Voiceover button for speak up command.
This is our prototype for medication schedule. The main purpose is to help patients keep track of their schedule and remind them to take their medication exactly when the body needs them. The application will send notification to the patient when one of the medicine is due, and it will keep reminding them until that medicine is marked as taken. However, a medicine that is not due yet cannot be marked as taken. The patient can also view their previous day schedule by clicking on the previous day button. In this case, if we go to the yesterday schedule, the next day button works in the same way. By clicking on it, we go back to the today's schedule, and click again, we go to the tomorrow schedule.
Shopping interface allows users to search items they want to buy. User enter item's name and the key into item column and the key column, then click Manifest to find medicine. The interface will display the image of medicine and the price of it. User allowed to select quality of the powder with spinner. However, user can check his shopping detail by clicking